Learn the benefits of Google Analytics goal tracking. What is Google Analytics goal tracking? It is a simple way to track your website's conversion rate. Using the data generated by Google Analytics goals, you can get a good idea of the number of conversions on your website, using which you can measure the effectiveness of your site. So, setting up and tracking goals on analytics is very important for any online business owner who is looking to generate leads or making sales using his website. Why is Google Analytics goal tracking so important? Let us say you have an online store that caters to internet marketers. If your site gets a lot of traffic and you are able to convert 2% to 5% of it, you are doing a good job. If your website gets a lot of traffic and yet you are able to convert only 0.001% of it, you are obviously doing something wrong. To know this, you need to have the necessary data: the number of people who visit your site, the number of people who visit your sales page, the number of people who make a purchase, and so on. You can get all these data by setting up goals on Google Analytics. This is why it is so important for online marketers. How does it work? First, you need to set up Google Analytics account. Once you have one, you need to go to the goal section where you need to set up a goal for your website. The goal is basically a page view. When people subscribe to your newsletter, join a coaching program, or buy one of your products, a web page is displayed. The web page usually confirms that the visitor has taken a particular action and thanks him for doing so. Every time this page is displayed, it means that a visitor has done what you want him to do. In other words, a conversion has taken place. To get started with Google Analytics goal tracking, you need to first set up a goal. It is a pretty simple process. You need to copy the URL of the web page, the thank you page being the case in point, and paste it in the goal text field. You should then assign a name for the goal and activate the process. Every time the page is displayed to a visitor, Google Analytics increments the goals counter. So, by looking at the number in the counter, you can find the number of conversions on your website. How to set up Google Analytics account? First, you need a Google account. If you do not have one, you can create one in a couple of minutes. Once you do, go to http://www.google.com/analytics and log into the site using your Google account. You can then create an analytics account by filling in the necessary information. Once you create a new account, you will be given a tracking code, which you should place at the bottom of every web page you want to track. You can create unique tracking codes for as many web pages as you want. How can a website's performance be improved using Google Analytics goal tracking? By setting up and tracking goals, you can get valuable conversion metrics that can give you a good idea of what you need to do with your site to make it profitable. You can experiment by making certain changes to your site and find if they affect its conversion rate in any manner. Once you get a good idea of the factors that influence your site's conversion rate, you can get more traffic, increase the number of conversions, and make your site profitable.